The 2009 Volkswagen Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, front air conditioning, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, power windows, daytime running lights, tachometer, cargo area light. Come take a test drive today.